One of the most effective strategies for rapid growth is analyzing and adapting your competitors' successful tactics. If your competitor's link profile is driving traffic to their site, why not secure the same links for yourself? We'll help you identify these valuable platforms and save money on acquiring them. To start, you'll need a list of competitors' websites whose links you want to analyze. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, or Majestic are great for gathering this data. Let's use Ahrefs as an example. We will head to their website. This is the platform. And in the domain box, we will copy-paste our URL. Let's copy it here, paste it here, and click Enter. It will show us all the useful information in the world about marketing, domain ranking, traffic, value. Today we're focusing on competition research. Let's head, for this reason, to the left-hand menu. We need to find an option called Organic Competitors. Let's click on it, and it will show you all the possible information about our potential rivals. Let's scroll down a little bit. It will show us the information. Let's select somebody really relevant to what we do. I like the option number 3, linkbuilder.io, very similar to us. Let's click on referring domains. This way we'll be able to see all the links and media outlets where they are published. As we can see, it's almost 1900 of them, countless and countless and countless resources at our disposal here. Let's export this list. We can save it as a sheet, we can save it as CSV. I already exported it as a Google Sheet. Let's open it. It's right here in front of us. Column that we really need to focus on is column B, domains. As we can see, it's almost 1900 of them. Let's let it stay for just a moment. We will return to this list. For now, let's open our platform with linkbuilder.com. This is how a profile looks like. We can create a new project, or we can use one of our existing ones. Let's click on Bakery Cafe. The feature in question today is called Whitelist. Whitelist is a tool that cross-references all of those exported links, 1900 of those, with everything we have available in the system, 300,000 other media outlets, and provides you with options that are available out of these 300,000 in comparison with that list that we uploaded. So let's see how many we have. Let's click Whitelist, click Add button, and in this box we'll copy paste the domains. Let's open our sheet. We will select this whole column, right click on it, and copy it, return this box, right click, paste. All pasted and ready. Let's click Add, wait for just a few moments, and then click on this Update button. So now we see all of these media outlets are uploaded, 64 pages of them. Let's head back to our project, and we can see that we have 185 media outlets available publication. It's a big number. Let's narrow down our search by applying a few filters. We can apply many. We can apply domain ratings, trust levels, traffic, prices, countries, languages. Let's focus on the industry. This is a very relevant category. Let's say we are today computers, electronics, and technology industry. So this is our niche. We will click Save and see how many media outlets we have available. 63. Really great. We can filter down the search. We can sort it by descending, ascending order, prices, traffic. The most important question is how to get published. What is the next step? The next step is for you to identify your ideal media outlet. Let's say you really like this one. You can check additional information, authority, traffic, trust levels, and view prices. View prices will show you all the media sellers and the price, the costs that are involved with making and placing an order. Next step, you just click on your ideal trader and you will be redirected to their platform. You will place an order and locked and loaded. Business as usual. We're always here for you. If you have questions, contact us. We can book an appointment. We at your services all day, all night. We also provide marketing services. We can level up your business. We've done this countless times with many companies. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.